Hohem are known for their high-grade, high-end smartphone gimbals, and today we've got the Ultra edition of their iSteady V3. Now this was a gimbal that I really liked, so I can't wait to see what the Ultra version brings. I've got the white version here. You can see it's got the detachable remote, it's got the AI tracking module. Let's have a look at how this whole system works, how it comes packaged, and what you can expect from this unit here. Very clean packaging. Hohem do some great packaging here. Boop. Take that piece off. And then we've got the reveal. Boom. So we've got, let me just move this off to the side for us. Oh, can't even get into it. Alright. So that's what you can expect in there. We've got a bag by the looks of it. So we've got that nice clean quick start guide right here. So Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra. Nice decent amount of paperwork in there, which is always nice. Got the bag. They always do very clean bags. I love their color combos. That orange just really stands out. So that's that. And then in here we've got an Allen key for something, and a USB-A to USB-C, which you can see right there. Okay, and then if we have a look at the main piece now, this is the Ultra. Let's have a look. Ooh, it's got a nice amount of weight to it actually. That's the first thing that I'm noticing. Love that color, really does pop, that color. So that's it there. When we unfold it, that's the footprint there of the unit. Like I said, the weight to it is actually quite surprising. I'm liking that. That's the module, so I can press those two buttons to get out the tracking module. So that's a light and a tracking module. So it's a little camera system that will track you. You can mount that any direction, so either this way or the other way. That's the clamping system there, which is nice and secure. We've also got the extension rod, which is nice and long as well. Very nice. And then under here we've got the legs. Dun, 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 boom, boom. So there are the legs, 1/4" screw if you want to mount it on. That's what that looks like. I love that design. Here we can see it says V3 Ultra. Let's get in here. And it actually says 360, so this can just continue to rotate. It never stops rotating, which is a huge, huge benefit of a smartphone gimbal, or sorry, any gimbal, if it can do that, that's a huge benefit. This is the little removable remote, which I absolutely adore. It's so cute. Look at that. It's got a little protective film on it, so let's just remove that guy. And so that can, you can remove that. Let's just compact this down just a little bit, just so we can see it. There we go. So that's the little removable remote right there. Let me just power it on so we get a little bit of a display. Right, so that just boots up. We've got a really clean interface actually. Got a few things here that I'll have to learn all about, but you can tap on it. You can change a few modes here. You can change the orientation. That looks like a zooming option. Swipe across to get even more control here. It's just powered down because it's folded down. But yeah, it looks like there's a few options there, which is really nice. Let's open this up one more time. I'm just going to show you how this works. So I can have this sitting like here, remove this guy, and then you can see in the background I can control the gimbal with this detachable remote, which is just such a unique offering really. There's a record button there, got another button on the side which turns on AI by the looks of it. There's a little flashing AI icon there. You can swipe across, you've got all these other light controls and all sorts of things in here. And there's the video feed there. Oh, that's actually from the tracking module. That's really cool. So you get a video feed from the tracking module. Really clean. This is super lightweight, this little remote. Very, very lightweight. Little USB-C on the base there. And then if you want to connect it up, you connect it back up again. And it's obviously like so, nice and simple. It's going to have a little bit of a tough time because there's nothing on it. Let's just power it down. We've got this little orange wheel here which can control the brightness of the light and all the different settings there. Nice trigger on the back here. Feels nice, feels really nice in the hand. USB-C on the side, as we can see. And that's what you can expect. That's the footprint when it's folded down. Yeah, I'm liking that. That's really, really clean. There we go. So that's what you can expect from their latest smartphone gimbal.